welcome back to the channel. It is me, your favorite girl Anastasia, and your girl is back again with another video. Hey you guys, it's been so long since I did a wig review, but your girl is back again, and today's video is sponsored by one company that I love so much. Today's video is sponsored by Jaliza hair. Oh my god, you guys, you know that when it comes to braided wigs, just give it to this brand. You see this Jaliza hair? Their braided wigs are what you should be using in 2024. If you are not using any of their wigs, please, after this video, just go and buy one, because this brand, all their wigs are mwah. Anyways guys, so this is how the box came in. You can see Jaliza. Please ignore all this. This is like my makeup and stuff. So let's open up the box and see this wig that the brand sent me today. Okay, so guys, when you open up the box, you're gonna see Jaliza. This wig comes with eyelashes. Oh, I love it. The eyelashes are so bold. It also comes with this Jaliza headband for tying up your lace. It also comes with a wig cap, which is very important. And Jaliza hair, they are so kind to add this wig bag. Yo, this wig bag is very important. It will help your braided wig to stay in place. Okay, so this is a very good stuff. You know, you just put it here, put your wig inside, and it would help your wig to last longer. And this wig also comes with this very cute card. It has Jaliza here, and this card just contains everything you need to know about your wig. So guys, are you ready to see this wig? Somebody do drum roll for me. Drum roll. You guys, this is the wig. This is the wig. Now this is Knotless human hair roots box braided wig, and this is 36 inches by the way, and it is also the braids are 102 strands. You guys, I can't wait to show you this wig. Let's open this up and let's see what this wig is giving. Okay, you guys, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see the color? This wig is I think the color is brown. Yeah, this is like brown color. This is so cute, you guys. Can you see the knots? Oh my god, can you see the knots on this wig? Let me stand up so that you guys can see. Can you see this? Can you see this gorgeousness, this beauty? You guys, Jaliza hair made sure to use human hair roots for, you know, more natural appearance. Like they used human hair roots. You guys, Jaliza hair made sure to bleach the knots on this wig. That is why I forever love Jaliza hair, because they know what they are doing. You guys, they bleached the knots on this wig just so that it blends so well. Let me take out these stuffs. I want you guys to see the features and the quality of this wig. Yo, you guys, this is it. They bleached. Guys, can you see? Guys, can you see this? The knots are bleached. Jaliza hair made sure to bleach the knots, and this is going to really blend well with your scalp and all of that stuff. You guys, they did an amazing job bleaching these knots. Guys, can you see? Can you see how it blends so well with my skin? They added baby hairs to it, and these baby hairs, they are very natural. Like they look like my own baby hairs, which I really love. Guys, can you see? This is so cute. This wig also comes with an elastic band. You guys, this elastic band is going to keep your wig in place, and it also comes with two combs at the end, at the bottom of the wig, which I really love, like two sturdy combs. This would keep your wig secured, and it also has two combs by the side. Can you guys see? Two combs by the side. All right guys, so this is how the wig is looking like on your girl's face. What do you think? I'm not even done installing this wig, and you guys can see the way the wig is giving already. I love the length of this wig. And you guys, just look at the scalp. Can you see the scalp? Can you see what I'm talking about? You guys, the scalp is already bleached, like it came pre-bleached. And then just look at the baby hairs. The baby hairs have, you know, the same texture, just like how, you know, we have our own natural baby hairs. And look at the roots, guys. The roots are human hair roots, and this human hair roots, it mimics our own natural human hair. Let's dive right into the install of this wig. I'm going to add more powder to the lace on the wig so that it blends very well with my skin, and we can go on to cut up this lace and install this wig. This wig is just like, it's giving 10 over 10. 10 over 10 minus nothing. You guys, I'm gonna stand so that you guys can see. Guys, can you see the length of this wig? This is 36 inches long. You guys, can you see? This wig is just everything. It's everything. And look at the hairline, guys. Can you see the hairline? Can you see how this is giving scalp? Like, if I'd not even tell you that this is a wig, you wouldn't even know that this is a wig, because just look at it. Just look at it, guys. Can you see how it matches my skin? Like, it blends so well with my skin. I just can't stop staring at myself because this whole look is giving what it is supposed to give right now. I love it so much. I think I need to go somewhere looking like this. I need to go somewhere looking like this because I can't just be at home after this whole glam. Okay, this wig is just gorgeous, to be honest. Let me put this. Oh God, this is just so beautiful, guys. You guys, make sure you buy this wig from Jaliza Hair. Jaliza Hair always have the best braided wigs. This wig is just so perfect for the summer. Summer is already here. This is the wig you need to you need to start wearing, or you need to buy in order for you to wear during the summertime. I love it so much. The wig is not so heavy. This wig is lightweight. This wig at 10 over 10 minus nothing. Jaliza Hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. I love it so much. Thank you for always sending your girl quality and good wigs. And guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.